Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to downgrade into Windows 10 if you already upgraded into Windows 11. So of course, if you upgraded into Windows 11, maybe you're having some issues or something that letting you downgrading into Windows 10. If you are just downgrading into Windows 10 because you are not used to it, I advise you to stay on Windows 11 because it's going to be much better when you get used to it. Of course, if you just want to go into Windows 10, of course, when you upgraded into your Windows 10, you will or your PC automatically set at a recovery point to go back into it. Of course, if you delete any recovery point, you will not be able to go back into your Windows 10 and you will have to download this from the beginning. And that means you will have to restart your PC and lose all your files and apps. Of course, if you want to downgrade now into Windows 10 and you did not delete any restore point, all you need to do just go to your settings by clicking at the Windows I on your keyboard or just go and open it with your regular way. Now you would like to go into the system option, which is this first one. And now you would like to go here into find the settings so we don't go through the boring steps of searching for what we want. So just go and find a setting and make sure to type recovery. Then click at recovery options. And once you are here, you can actually go back into your Windows 10 through here. As you can see, this option is disabled for me because I deleted the Windows 10 recovery part. If you did not delete it, you will have the option to go back into it. Of course, the other option is to go into advanced startup and restart your PC now. Then at Windows 10 or 11 recovery menu, choose use as device and select your USB drive. And we see the prompt to boot from the USB drive. Tap the space bar to start Windows setup. And of course, you will need just to follow the prompts to install Windows 10. If you deleted your recovery point and you want to go back into your Windows 10, as I said, that's the way if you want to install it from the beginning. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.